Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here coming at you with another great video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to take the headliner out of the car and reinstall it. We're going to go step by step on the details to help you out. So while you're watching this video, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'll surely appreciate it. All right, let's get into it.
All right, let's get ready to take down the headliner. You're going to want to take down everything in this order. The first thing you want to take down is all 4 door weather strips. Then you want to take down the sun visor. After that, you want to take down the sun visor holding clip. While you're there, go ahead and take down the front interior light assembly.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
Then turn around and take down the center interior light assembly. Then you want to take down the front corner trim pieces. Then take down the center trim pieces. Then go to the rear of the car and take down both rear trim pieces. The last thing you want to take down is the 4 handle grips on the roof. After you take the handle grips down, the roof comes down pretty easily. Make sure none of your wires are getting caught up anywhere. It is a lot easier to do this with 2 people, but you really just gotta twist it, turn it, and get it out the rear passenger door. You want to lay down both front seats to make it a little bit easier. Just take your time, it will come out eventually. And voila, it's out of the car. Alright, now it's time to install the headliner.
Hey everybody, it's Bobby B here again. And thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I would surely appreciate it.
Make sure you line up all your locking clips. Make sure you run your electrical wires and put them through the holes before you try to install it. The first thing you want to do is put up your handle grips. That'll hold it up on the roof for you to make it a lot easier. Reinstall the rear trim pieces. Then reinstall the center trim pieces. Make sure you line it up. Then reinstall the front trim pieces. Make sure that you line up the locking clips. Reinstall the center light assembly. Make sure you're easy with the plug. You don't want to break it. Make sure you actually install the light the correct way that it was facing before. Make sure the wires don't get caught up when you're putting it back in there. Test the light out before you install the light cover. Then reinstall the front light assembly, same as the center. Be careful your wires don't damage it, and install it the right way. Then reinstall your sun visor locking clip, and then reinstall the sun visor. Also, last thing you want to do is reinstall your door weather strip. Congratulations, you now know how to take the headliner out of the car and reinstall it.
Yes ma'am, I'll get that order in as soon as I can. Yes ma'am, that was for 12 doors. Yes, I got that. Oh, hang on one second. Hey, you're still watching? I must have done something amazing on this video. Well, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd surely appreciate it. Bobby be out till next time. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, that was for 12 dildos. Got it.